Welcome to the world of colorful cereal boxes where each promises a burst of flavor and a kickstart to your day. Yet as enchanting as these cereals appear, there's a hidden reality that's not as sweet. The allure of these cereals lies not only in their vibrant packaging and catchy jingles, but also in their high sugar content. While the sugary crunch might wake you up, it's also setting a trap for your health. Unbeknownst to many, these breakfast favorites are often loaded with added sugars, and consuming them regularly can lead to a host of health issues, including diabetes and weight gain. And it's not just the obvious culprits, even those cereals marketed as healthy or whole grain can be sugar-laden. It's time to uncover the truth behind these vibrant boxes and make healthier choices. Stay tuned as we unravel the sugar content in popular cereals and explore wholesome alternatives. Before we venture into healthier options, let's understand the hidden sugar in our everyday cereals. The vibrant, enticing boxes often hide a less appealing truth. Many popular brands pack their products with a shocking amount of added sugar. Some cereals contain as much as 3 teaspoons of sugar per serving. That's almost half of the recommended daily intake for adults. Now, imagine starting your day with such a sugar rush. The long-term effects of high sugar intake can be detrimental to our health. Regular consumption of these high-sugar cereals can contribute to weight gain, increase the risk of type 2 diabetes, and even lead to heart disease. It's not just about the immediate energy crash after the sugar high. It's about the cumulative impact on our bodies over time. As we can see, it's essential to read labels and understand what we're really consuming. Knowledge truly is the first step towards healthier choices. Now that we know the truth, let's explore the variety of nutritious cereals available. It's time to clear the shelves of those sugar-laden boxes and make room for healthier options. Oats, for instance, are a fantastic choice. They are high in fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Then there's homemade granola, a versatile option that allows you to mix and match your favorite nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. You control the sugar, and the possibilities are endless. Whole grain cereals are another excellent choice, offering a good source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. When shopping, look for brands with simple, recognizable ingredients and low sugar content. Remember, the goal is to nourish your body, not just to fill your stomach. Making the switch to these healthier options can make a significant difference in your well-being. So why not give it a try? Your body will surely thank you. Ever thought about creating your own cereal mix? It's easier than you think. With a little creativity, you can make a batch of homemade cereal that's both delicious and packed with nutrients. It's all about choosing the right base, like whole oats or puffed grains, and adding a variety of tasty and healthy extras. Think along the lines of dried fruits for a natural sweetness, nuts for a crunch, and a dose of healthy fats and seeds, such as chia or flax, for a fiber boost. And don't forget about the spices. A sprinkle of cinnamon or a dash of nutmeg can elevate your homemade cereal to a whole new level. By making your own cereal, you'll know exactly what's in your bowl, and you can adjust the ingredients according to your personal tastes and nutritional needs. Creating your own cereal mix not only gives you control over your ingredients, but also adds a touch of personalization to your breakfast. Let's take a step further and think of ways to enrich your breakfast even more. It's not just about the cereal you pour into your bowl. It's also about the extras you add to enhance the nutritional value of your meal. Consider adding a dollop of probiotic yogurt. It's a great source of protein and helps maintain a healthy gut. Fresh fruits like strawberries or bananas are a natural source of sweetness and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. And if you're looking for a flavor punch, sprinkle some cinnamon. It's not only delicious but also has anti-inflammatory properties. These additions can elevate your breakfast from good to great in terms of flavor and health benefits. So, what's your go-to healthy cereal? Share your favorites with us in the comments. Remember, the key to a healthy breakfast is balance. So, experiment with these tips and make your breakfast not just the first, but the healthiest meal of your day.